Today's quick tip is very simple. Sometimes you want to ride faster and you need to lower your wind resistance. And one way of doing it is to lower your body, you know. And an easy way to do it is, if you do have an ergon grip like this one or something similar, usually we hold it like this, you know, rest our hands here and easy access to the brakes. Okay, if you want to go faster and lower your body, a good way is move it like this and you hold it like here and you bend your elbow. Let me show you. Ergon grip like this one, and you want to go faster, get less wind resistance. Put your hands like this and fold it and bend your elbows. Check it out. Okay, I'm pedaling stronger because it allows me to go much faster. Oh, there's one more. Then you can waggle a little bit and you can get the speed that you want. So, but remember, the brakes are here, and if you hold it like this, there'll be no braking spot. I didn't change anything on riding. I'm riding at the same cadence as before, same gear, but can you see that we got 1 to 2 kilometers in speed? See, same thing. I just went up, same cadence, same everything. So it's the same thing in the road bike. If you lower your grab, you know, in the drops, you gain 2 kilometers per hour. And sometimes that's only what you need to stay in the peloton or just go a little bit faster. It's not so comfortable and it's not safe because you're far away from the brakes. Do it only when you have a road, you know, that's empty, or you need just a little bit more speed in a short time. But it's good. Sometimes I do it. Bike path, beware. If you ride it like this, if you're near to someone, just, you know, be prepared. Better safe than sorry. So it's very easy. Like this, just put your weight on the bottom of your hand, and the change is easy, and you keep touching the handlebar. Okay. I know by now you know that quick tips are quick, simple, but they're made to help you ride better. They're made to give you some tips on little things that we do it, and it's nice to share with others because ideas are made to pass on. Hope you did like it. If you did like it, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, that's one of the great reasons for it, because if you're not a subscriber, you won't know that the quick tip is on, because the videos, I'm sorry, I wrote a lot because the regular videos come up on Saturdays, but the quick tips come up whenever I see something that, you know, I would like to share with you. So I hope you did like it and enjoy it. Bye bye.